Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce belly fat and achieve a flatter midsection, follow these effective steps. Step 1. Create a modest calorie deficit by reducing your daily intake by 300 to 500 calories through portion control and healthier food choices. Step 2. Eat more protein at each meal to boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and help preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Step 3. Eliminate or drastically reduce added sugars and refined carbohydrates, which contribute significantly to visceral fat accumulation. Step 4. Incorporate cardio exercise like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling for at least 30 minutes most days to burn calories and fat. Step 5. Add strength training exercises 2 to 3 times per week to build muscle mass and increase your metabolic rate. Step 6. Include core strengthening exercises in your routine to tone abdominal muscles, though spot reduction isn't possible. Step 7. Get adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours nightly, as poor sleep is linked to increased belly fat and weight gain. Step 8. Manage stress through relaxation techniques, as elevated cortisol levels from chronic stress promote fat storage in the abdominal area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.